Hey, what's with the box of fireworks?
It's 4th of July, Jim. Let's set these on fire.
Okay.
Not yet.
Why?
Fireworks are as dangerous as explosives, so you need to follow the rules for safety.
Rules smalls. Who needs them?
Do you want me to bring the video? This is something annual. Ah! Help! I'm on fire!
Gee, fireworks are so dangerous.
That's why you need to follow the rules. Now let's go outside and learn rules.
Let's light them.
No! Never set a firework near other fireworks or flammable objects, Jim.
Now could we light it, Jack?
Still no. Make sure you have a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher with you.
Lighting one firework is boring. Why not light two at the same time?
Never! That would be dangerous, Jim! Hey, your fireworks suck. Like you. Ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna light a firework and throw it at that guy!
No! It's like throwing a grenade! Oops, I only brought one firework. I guess you only have to light one right now.
That's okay, I made a homemade one.
You can't use that. That firework could be deadly. The fireworks in the crate at the back of Jim here are illegal in some countries, and you will get in big trouble for lighting it. It is better to light if the law approves it. You do the honors, Jim. Oh, Jim, never put fireworks in your pants, or else your legs will blow off.
Fail, it didn't even work!
Sometimes fireworks make you think it's broken, but works later. Wait until it works. Don't think the firework's done yet. Wait until more sparks come out.
Whoa!
Awesome! I hope with all, or almost all, those rules, your 4th of July will be a blast. Get it? Blast? Or whatever. Bye!